How to redeem gift card on Coinbase. If you wish to redeem your Coinbase gift card and you want to add it within your Coinbase account, launch the Coinbase app and log into your account. On the top left of the screen, you'll see a three lines icon. Tap on it. Then again go to the option of your name that says account and settings. From here, you can see payment method. Tap on add a payment method. You can add multiple payment methods, but since we're trying to redeem a gift card, select the option that says gift card. Here, you simply have to type in your card number, then type in the PIN code. You must also complete the Know Your Customer or KYC process before you can redeem the gift card, which means you must make sure that your Coinbase account is verified. Then tap the preview button, and then depending upon the value of the gift card balance will be added to your Coinbase account. This way you can redeem a Coinbase gift card. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon as always in the next video.